Good morning, friends. In previous lecture, we have studied about wind turbine. In today's lecture, we are going to study about hydropower or water power, or it is also called as hydro energy. Hydropower or water power is the energy obtained from the flowing water. The energy obtained from the flowing water is called hydropower or water power. The energy obtained can be utilized to drive the machines or to generate electricity by means of a turbine. Here you can see that a powerhouse is there where you are going to generate the electricity. This consists of a generator, and before the generator the turbines are going to be placed. Water turbines will be placed. In the previous lectures you have studied about the different types of water turbines, that is Pelton wheel is there, Francis turbine is there, and Kaplan turbine. By using those we are going to generate the electricity. The water stored in the dam or the reservoir is having potential energy. The water stored in the dam or reservoir is having potential energy. The water from the reservoir is made to flow through the large pipe, or these large pipes are called as penstoke, and enters the nozzle. It enters the nozzle of the water turbine or hydraulic turbine, where the potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. Once the water enters the nozzle, the entire potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. Potential energy is nothing but stored energy. The kinetic energy of water causes the turbine runner to rotate. As we have seen in hydraulic turbine, for example, if I take Pelton wheel, around the runner, the buckets are fixed. Okay, through the nozzle, the water is made to hit the buckets or blades of the turbine, and these blades are connected, or these buckets are connected to the runner. As a result of that, runner rotates, which in turn, after that, the runner is connected to the shaft. As a result of that, shaft also starts rotating, and that shaft is connected to the generator where the electricity is produced. The shaft is connected to the generator. From that we are going to produce the electricity. Then the electricity is then transmitted to the subdivisions. Here we are seeing the generated electricity is transmitted to the substations, where it substations consist of a transformer, where transformer increases the voltage to the required level. The transformer increases to the increases the voltage to the required level. The stations are nothing but in Karnataka we have KEB, Karnataka Electricity Board. They have a station where it consists of a transformer. Transformer is going to increase the voltage to the required level. As the further that power can be transmitted to the residential or for the commercial application. Okay. Once the work is done, the water will go to the tail race. This is how the hydro power or the water power works. The notes are provided in the description. You have a link, through that you can download the notes.